Did you ever buy a product or service just because your favorite influencer recommended it? If so, you are not alone. Influencer marketing is one of the most effective ways to reach consumers today. Influencer marketing is the process of partnering with social media influencers to promote your products or services. Influencers are the people who have built a large and engaged following on social media. When you partner with an influencer, they will create and share content about your products or services with their followers. This can be very effective as people are more likely to trust recommendations from people they know and respect. Influencer marketing can be used to achieve a variety of goals such as increasing brand awareness, driving traffic to your website, and generating sales. If you're thinking about using influencer marketing, it is important to choose the right influencer. You want to choose the influencer who have a following that is relevant to your target audience and who create content that is aligned to your brand. It is also important to set clear goals for your influencer marketing campaign. What do you want to achieve? Once you know your goal, you can choose the right influencer and develop a campaign strategy that will help you to achieve your influencer marketing goals. Influencer marketing can be a very effective way to reach consumers today. By partnering with the right influencer, you can grow your brand awareness, get more website traffic, and generate sales quicker than the traditional methods. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos on internet marketing and emerging technologies. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Shobhik Ghosh, signing off.